In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, nestled between mist-shrouded hills and glowing coral reefs, lies a city unlike any other, Clown City. Legends say it was built centuries ago by mysterious carnival spirits who brought laughter and fear in equal measure. Now, it's a place where the ordinary meets the supernatural, a city that dances to its own strange rhythm. Damien, a young scientist from Kingston, had heard whispers of Clown City since childhood. Rumors spoke of glowing neon faces that flicker in the night, and shadows that shift and whisper secrets in the dark. Driven by curiosity and a thirst for discovery, Damien decided to explore this strange metropolis, armed with his scientific tools and an insatiable desire to understand the paranormal. As Damien entered Clown City at twilight, the streets lit up with eerie, shifting lights. Towering clown statues with glowing eyes loomed over him, their painted smiles twisted into unsettling grins. Suddenly, a faint, haunting melody floated through the air, an otherworldly tune that seemed to beckon him forward. He followed the sound into an alley where the air grew thick with a strange, shimmering fog. In the center of the alley, Damien found a pulsating, luminous orb floating above the ground. It radiated an eerie energy, flickering between states of matter and shadow. As he approached, the orb pulsed faster, and ghostly clown figures materialized around him, specters of performers long gone, trapped in a cycle of eternal carnival. Damien realized that the orb was a portal, a gateway between the physical world and the paranormal realm of Clown City. Using his scientific instruments, he managed to analyze the energy signature, discovering it was a blend of quantum physics and ancient Jamaican spiritual forces. It was a bridge, maintained by the city's restless spirits, feeding on the laughter and fears of visitors. With quick thinking, Damien devised a plan to stabilize the portal, intending to free the trapped spirits and end the cycle of fear. As he worked, the ghostly clowns paused, their faces softening into expressions of gratitude, and the fog began to lift. The city's eerie glow dimmed, revealing a city that was more than just haunted. It was a living, breathing testament to the dance between science and spirit, laughter and fear. Damien left Clown City that night, forever changed. He knew he had uncovered a secret that bridged worlds, a reminder that sometimes the most mysterious phenomena are rooted in a delicate balance of the unseen forces that govern us all. And in the heart of Jamaica, beneath the moonlit sky, the shadows of Clown City whispered their timeless story.